Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So after posting yesterday that Microsoft had removed the option and the setting to be able to turn off the weather widget and icon on the new tab page in Microsoft Edge for desktop, it seems now that Microsoft has changed their mind and the setting has been restored once again. Now, the video I posted yesterday will be in the end screen of this video. But if we head back to our page settings now in the stable version of Microsoft Edge, here we can see show weather. The setting once again is back. So you now have the option once again to be able to turn off the weather widget on the new tab page. Now, there's two reasons why Microsoft could have removed, or that option could have been removed. First of all, it could have been a bug, and Microsoft could now have obviously restored the option with a server-side update. Or it could have been Microsoft A/B testing, removing that option, which they are known to do in the stable version. I have noticed, and as I've mentioned previously on the channel, that Microsoft does push out new features from time to time, and then they are in the stable version for a day or two, and then they just mysteriously disappear and we never see them again. So it could have been that they were A/B testing this feature and have just decided now to just restore the feature. But those are the two scenarios that could have possibly led to the option being removed and then being restored again. So just letting you know, because obviously there were one or two users who were noticing or just wanted confirmation regarding this. So I said if it was restored, I would let you know. And as I said yesterday in that video, the move to remove this setting wasn't a good move, because it is always good when Microsoft gives us choice to remove different features and debloat the browser and customize the browser. And this option has been restored across the board once again. So if we head over to Edge Canary 124, the latest preview version, yeah, we can also see that the toggle has been returned. So I'm just putting it out there and just keeping you guys in the loop. That option to be able to turn off and enable the widget has now been restored in Microsoft Edge for desktop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.